is the 2nd of October 2020 and almost the address.
Asutusketju Lehmuskatu 10 to 12, staircase B.
Yes. In Savio, Kerava, Uusimaa-Nyland, Helsinki is first region, Finland. And this one was built in 1975, turning 45 years old this year in 2020, and it's got 7 floors, and the serial number is H33460. And it was very hard to get inside here.
Yeah.
It's been open in the daytime before.
Yeah.
Same, there's 2 of them. We're gonna try the other one also.
Yeah.
And it's going to be inspected in 2022. And the capacity is 420 rooms. But it is not as rare as the 2 with NPN6 wells from 1970.
Yeah.
But it still had to be filmed.
Yeah.
There's also 2 from late 1971.
Yeah.
But with the earlier type of them, with a different font on the NPN8 buttons.
Yeah.
Same as on Savio Graham elevators. Those are also quite rare.
Yeah.
But pop-out from 1970 would be even more rare.
Yeah.
Could have also been a pop-out.
Yeah.
And then they would have been the only 2 pop-out in Kerava.
Yeah. Expected by QIs, maintained by Backup Service Keskus.
Okay, still not modernized.
Yeah.
And it's planned from 2027.
Yeah. This was maintained by Kone before.
Yeah. And there was a good maintenance before.
Yeah.
That's why they're still in good condition technically, but still vibrating.
Yeah.
Probably because of the generic maintenance.
Yeah.
But I like this vibration.
Mm.
And I like the sounds.
Same here.
Yes, let's go. And then to the other steps. Alright, thank you very much for watching.
That's